Hi, my name is Pavan Nagula. I have completed the post-graduation degree of MMS with finance specialization and recently got placed in Line Data, which is fully engaged in providing financial services to hedge funds. And I got this opportunity through Magic Institute of Excellence, where I did the investment banking and hedge funds course. And if we talk about the institute, it was a wonderful experience where they mainly focus on practical knowledge more than the theoretical knowledge, which was most important for the corporate world. They also taken extra sessions of Russia and Ukraine war, which was very helpful. And if we talk about the trainers, they are well experienced with the corporate companies, and the teaching method was very impactful. And even if they are taken online sessions, but we did not find any different from offline sessions. The special lecture of digital communication helped us in boosting confidence and cracking interviews. And lastly, I would like to thank whole MI team, which helped me to get placed in company.